You want to come down and pull me out when I get stuck?
With what?
Yeah,
There's
exactly.
a reason why I'm calling
With
you.
What?
This here is the bio on my 1941 G506 Chevy truck. This is a 1941 military truck. It's pre-World War II. These trucks were actually built as a 1.5 ton for Russia to basically engage during the beginning stages of Germany invading Russia. They were sent to Russia, most of them, to dismount the horse-drawn army that Russia was using. This truck was an eBay purchase. It was one of those, I threw a bid in it, and if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. I paid $203 for this truck. And I had a first-gen Dodge. That's what I used for the chassis. It has a 6-inch lift on the front. It's a 6-inch spring. And the back is pretty much stock. I just flipped the shackles over. That helped me with drive shaft angle and all of that. Pointed the drive shaft upward. It uses an old-fashioned worn winch. All of the boom on this truck is made out of scrap iron that I got from my cousin Tyrone, who's an iron worker in Las Vegas. The telescoping part of the boom was a boat carriage, and I cut it all up and I made the chain assembly so it actually telescopes out another 3 feet. Every 4th of July and Memorial Day I use it for a flagpole. I raise it up and fly my flag off of it. It has 44-inch super swampers on it, and yes, it's powered by a Cummins. There's no intercooler, but I don't really pull a whole lot with it. I just do off-road recovery and a few little things around Havasu. I have drove it to Vegas with these tires on, towing a car. It was a long trip. It was in the winter time, and it did pretty good. But we'll show a little bit of this truck in action. I've owned this truck almost 15 years. It's been a heck of a workhorse for me. There is no amount of money you could give me to buy it. I use it all the time to pick up engines, pick up chassis, move bodies. I've staged all my yard art with it. I've packed my mailbox around town with it. Yeah. So there's been some talk about a tow truck Olympics or something like that, Matt's Off-Road Recovery. I've watched a little bit of the Matt's Off-Road Recovery tow truck build. Claims he's building the largest off-road wrecker ever. I'm afraid he's second place to that, because I'm pretty sure Heavy D Sparks has the largest off-road wrecker. And I'm sure in Russia there's probably larger, because those guys run some really big equipment in Russia. Anyway, back to the tow truck off-road Olympics, or whatever it is Matt's putting together. I have not officially been invited to that, so reach out to Matt. Maybe he'll entertain the idea of my tow-mater going. I know everybody has a tow-mater. Everybody calls their tow truck tow-mater. You know, mine actually has a personalized plate on it that says tow-mater.
So my buddy Jason just called me from Camel Towing, and I guess he's got a couple kids or something down here in the sand that's stuck. So I'm gonna pick up Jimmy. We're going to a little area called Body Beach. It's a little local spot where people drive down and get on the lake, and it's really sandy, so who knows what we're in for. Probably a couple of tourists in a two-wheel drive. That's common. We're gonna take the old tow truck and go winch them out. If it'll start. Yeah, old reliable. That's a Cummins for you right there. So I just picked up Jimmy. He's my go-to. Jimmy's always ready to go anywhere. I have a saying that how long would it take you to be ready to go to the moon if somebody asked? And I say 15 minutes, and I think Jim would be ready in 10.
Right?
So yeah, we're gonna drive down to Body Beach and see what we got going. Help our tourist friends. All right, we're just pulling into Body Beach.
What's up, guys?
What's going on, Jay?
Hey, hanging in there? Come to rescue someone?
So what do we got?
We got a Chevy Cruze or a Sparks or something like that stuck in the sand dunes. May have a flat tire.
Yikes. I love it.
Yeah, and there might even be a second truck down there now
Oh, good.
that went to go rescue them.
Oh, we get a twofer.
Yeah, 2 for 1.
It's awesome.
All right.
Cool. So yeah, my buddy Travis that I got all the LS's from, he owns Camel Towing, and Jay is his top-notch dude.
Come on out.
So, how are you guys?
Oh, we're grateful to see you.
Yeah. So, how far down are you?
About a quarter of a mile, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
They said they're down right around the corner, basically right where that white truck's coming out of.
Okay.
And I think that's the one that went down and went to rescue you. So there's mountains.
So they've got it out.
Yeah.
That's good.
So basically right where those cars are coming
I
out.
see that. So yeah, if you guys want to just walk down through there,
You need anything from me?
I don't.
Want to hang around and help out?
If you want. Yeah, you want to come down and goof around? You want to come down and pull me out when I get stuck?
With what?
Yeah,
There's
exactly.
a reason why I'm calling
With
you.
what? Yeah, we shouldn't have no problem. How's it going?
Pretty good. Are these people you know?
They called the tow company to come get them out. I'm with the tow company to pull them.
That way, because you don't want to pull it forward. You don't want to grab it. I was just going to pull back there and back them out. My son and his friend got stuck over here a little while ago.
Yeah, they're the
I
ones
was
that
gonna
just
pull that
left.
way and just pull them out.
Oh, buddy. Let's see you.
Yeah, that's good shit.
Right?
That's the best.
So she was backing up when she backed in there. It doesn't look as bad as it really is. There's actually a giant rock under the middle of the car, and she's exactly high-centered on it. And the people that were here just a second ago, they had hooked up to it and they were going to drag her backwards. That would be a critical mistake if you did that with this car, because that rock is going to go and hit the oil pan, the transmission pan, steering linkage. It's going to bend everything. So the car's got to go forward, or it has to be lifted off the rock. And we'll show you the rock once we get her off of it. She said she felt the rock and thought she could clear it, but yeah, we got it too. So
Mine need to go get my little small kid off the top of my
I think
windshield.
all we need to do is just wrap the control on.
Just by the bullets on it? Yeah. So you're coming right back towards it. You got it? Are they like that?
I'm gonna grab the shackle.
Okay.
we'll just,
You guys like the last resort they call?
He is, yeah.
Oh, so this is so like does he work for them for the company or is he
No, he's just a private guy.
I do! I really do!
Where are we gonna hook to on there?
Later. This is like a hot.
That's my figure, though.
You got an axe on it and shit. Did you build the setup?
Yeah.
You built it?
What it cost you to build it?
oh, you don't want to know what it costs.
200,
I probably have like $5 in the whole truck.
Yeah, right.
That's what I'm telling you.
And 5,000 and 5,000 hours.
That tire right there is like $5.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
$5.
There you go.
I stand back to the brake. Look at that fucking rock, dude. Man, your shit's all fucked up.
That's for
Oh, he's not leaking anything. Look on his face, he's like, holy shit.
Yeah, that's a big rock.
I gotta take a picture of
Yeah, I
this.
think your passengers are going to have less room in the back now. It might. That's why I didn't want to go backwards with it, because that would have damaged your
That's-
transmission and your engine, and like,
That's what.
there's nothing you can hurt back here, but up there it's
Yeah.
Critical.
Yeah, that's what.
Did it make a lot of noise when you hit it?
No, we didn't feel it scrape at all. It just, we went back and then the sand, we went to pull forward and it
just
started.
sank.
Hey,
sinking.
that's a big rock.
That is
And
a
then we
big
were
rock.
Why
Yeah,
are we
it's-
not
it's
moving?
the
Why
size
are we
of
not moving? Because
$30-pound turkey.
Right? Sitting on her.
So you want to drive it? You want to drive it out or?
She can drive it out. We'll follow her, make sure she doesn't get stuck.
Yeah, you know,
It's still greasy Mexican burrito. That's right. That's right. It's what it is.
hey, Tuesday or Wednesday, I'll hit with you guys and get lunch.
Okay, man, I'll see ya. Yeah, that's the beautiful Body Beach. We came, we saw, we rescued. Now it's time to go back and get a jet ski ready to go to the lake.
That's right.
They bringing a trailer to get you? Yeah, my dad's. Okay, cool. I was gonna say I'd tow you back to the road if you want. Yeah, is there anything to hook to on that thing?